Alright guys, so for the next install on the car, what I'm about to do is install the US SPEEDO new, I call it the hemi orange, but they're just regular orange. But since I have an RT, I decided to go with these and check them out. I'm gonna be installing these. I've actually kind of been debating on exactly which ones to get, and since only on the RT version they can only do just it being regular, or pay the $40 to do the RT version instead of it saying the US SPEEDO on it. And of course got the 160 speedometer, so I'm gonna change the faces of the gauges. Instead of them being black, you're gonna get the orange, and I think it's gonna just pop that much more inside my interior. So definitely stoked for that. And the main reason why I got these, so shout out to Mango 392. After you install them onto yours, bro, I actually fell in love with the fact that it makes it that much more of a better accent inside the vehicle. You have the blue ones, I believe yours is the B5 blue, because with your color scheme that you went with, but I'm gonna do mine orange, with the destroyer gray. So we're gonna do these, install them. I'll show you guys exactly when I take everything off. So the steps that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just basically take off my wire, the eel wire that I have here. So I'm gonna take that off. Well, not this area, but I'm just gonna take off the front fascia here on the bezel, and then start prying off the actual bezel itself, and then disassembling the gauge face from there, and then show you guys the steps of what I'm gonna do on the actual housing of the gauges on that, either on that table or on the tool table here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do in this video. Stick with it. Thanks again. And if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe to the channel, comment what you guys think of the update that I'm doing on my gauges. And if you guys want to know more about these gauges, let me know. I'll definitely put the link in the description for either the RTs and the XXTs. They both rock the same faces. The scat packs come on with their own, and you have a color variety to them. And of course the Hellcats have variety to theirs as well. And so yeah, US SPEEDO, thank you guys for getting that shit here quick.
Yeah.